What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you well. If you are watching this video, I assume that you are an entrepreneur or you have an entrepreneurial spirit. So today I am talking about the 3 things that as an entrepreneur you should be focusing on in order to come out of this crisis not as a victim. So one thing that I want to say is that watch this video till the end, because at the end I've got a big announcement that I want to make and you do not want to miss out. This crisis is not just affecting our health or our lifestyle, it's crushing our economy. So as an entrepreneur, you want to make sure that you are in the right frame of mind to not come out of this whole thing as a victim. You want to come out as a winner. By winner, I mean ready to tackle the market. So today I'm giving you my 3 things that you should be focusing on as an entrepreneur or as an aspiring entrepreneur to be ready for the after coronavirus crisis. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Tyrana and this is tyranatemi, a place for entrepreneurship and self-development. We are all about taking control of our life. We are all about taking control of our business. So if that sounds like something you are trying to achieve, don't forget to join us, hit the subscribe button and welcome. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because it's a tough time. You know, people are losing businesses, jobs, family members, and the spirit is down. It's hard, you know, and you have to be extra human to not panic at this period. But this is just my way of, you know, spreading that positivity and that high spirit to encourage my fellow entrepreneurs to say that, you know, we do not have to come out of this COVID-19 crisis as victims. There is always another way of looking at things. So let's get into it. The first thing that I think that as entrepreneurs we should be considering and focusing on is to stay optimistic. As I said already, there are tons of reasons why we should be down. There are tons of reasons why we should lose hope, lose faith. The economy is collapsing in front of our eyes, and as an entrepreneur you just look at that and you're like, oh my god. Especially as a little business owner, it's so hard to keep faith, you know. But it's very important to stay optimistic. It's very important to remember that this will pass. As much as it's really shaking the whole wide world, it will pass. This is a time where everybody would give you their theory about what is happening to the economy, to the world, to people and all that, from religious beliefs to political beliefs to conspiracy and all that. But as an entrepreneur, and not just as an entrepreneur, you know, as a human being, because we all need to protect our mental health, it's important to get out of that noise, because it's so easy to get lost in that fear, in that anxiety, in people opinion and definition of what is happening around the world. Like this morning I had somebody sending me a video about this is the end of the world as the Bible predicted. I am not God. I'm not here to tell you that it is not or it is. Who am I to understand God's plan? Who am I? I don't even understand my own plan. Like, I'm trying now to explain God's plan. I'm not here to say that they're lying or they're not lying, but I just refuse to live my life in fear. You know, I just refuse to live like that. If it's the end, I'm ready. It is the end. I am ready, but I am not living with that frame of mind, if that makes sense. In this video I talk about the things that I've learned throughout this pandemic, and I mentioned the fact that we should understand that this life will pass. You know, this life that we have the grace to live will pass, but it doesn't mean that you should just live your life like tomorrow you're gonna die, you know. It's like, okay, because they said that is the end of the world, you start making short terms goal and decisions, and if it turns out that it's not the end, you guys who were living in that frame of mind, you will be coming out of this coronavirus as victims. So it's just not the right frame of mind. It's just not the right way of thinking. My advice is that don't make the mistake to start making short-term decisions, because it might turn out that it's not. And if it's not, you will be coming out as victim, and we do not want that. You want to come out of here ready to trade, ready to tackle the market. So be cautious, be grateful, be loving, be sharing, be kind to your neighbor, but also be hopeful, be optimistic, stay in that frame of mind, stay positive. Don't stop looking in the future. Don't stop seeing yourself as after this crisis. Don't stop imagining, creating that life that you want to live after the coronavirus. Don't stop asking God for that life. The second thing that you should be thinking about at the moment as an entrepreneur is that where there is problems, there are opportunities. This is the time where you should switch to opportunity mode. This is the time where you should look for opportunity in everything. Start thinking about the problems around you. What are the problems? One problem is that people are stuck at home. That's a problem. And if you're a fitness guy, you know that this is an opportunity. People want to exercise, but they can't go out. What can you do? How can you serve people? This is the time to think of solutions to bring value to people's life. There are many problems at the moment. What can you do to genuinely help? Now is the time to think like, okay, I don't have any control over this crisis. I don't have any control over my business at the moment. I'm losing money, I'm losing clients or whatever. Yeah, but what can I do? Okay, as an entrepreneur, this is the time now to say, okay, what are all the opportunities that you can take? My advice to you is that stop being in that victim spirit. You don't want to be like, oh my God, I had my business, it's all gone now, it's all crushed down. You want to be part of those who will rebuild the economy. And this is now, it starts now. It starts now with you, with the way you're thinking, with the frame of mind you are in at the moment. It starts with your mindset right now. It's not after the coronavirus. So start looking for opportunities around you. You might be thinking that this is cool, but it's for certain people. It's for people who already own a business or who have ideas already. But if you are considering to start your entrepreneurial career, to be an entrepreneur, and you don't have ideas at all at the moment, it's fine. This applies to you too. All you have to do is start looking for opportunities around you. Look for opportunity to genuinely serve people, to genuinely bring real value, to people's lives. This brings us to the third and the last thing that you should be thinking, you should be considering as an entrepreneur right now. And it is the time. The clock just stopped on planet Earth. And time is your most valuable asset right now. Okay, use your time so efficiently. This is the time that we don't normally have. Normally people working during the day somewhere so they can put the food on the table, and at night or during the weekend they're working on their own businesses. So this kind of time we normally don't have. One thing that you might consider doing is to create your own digital product. This is the best time for you. You have the whole time to learn how to do it right now. Another thing that you might consider doing is to write your own book. Maybe, why not? I wrote my book in 30 days. Go for it. So this is the time to make the most. This is the time that you need to double down on any idea that you have. Think about how you can make it come to life. Even if it's just on paper, start crafting now. I know that some of you will say that, okay, Tyrana, you're saying that we should go and start a business right now, but everything is shut, nobody is allowed out, and how are you going to do a business if you're shut in? I'm not saying here that you should go and build the whole thing from start to finish. I'm saying start the foundation. Think anything that grows you is welcome at the moment. You might want to learn a new skill. You might want to learn marketing or accounting, anything that you wanted to learn. This is the time for that. At the end of this coronavirus, you won't be the same person that you were entering this crisis. You want to come out different. You want to come out with something more. So time is your most valuable asset right now. Make the most out of it. Make the most out of people's time. You can talk to people right now and they listen to you. People are willing now. Not that they're willing, they don't have any choice. They're at home bored, so people are ready to give you their time, to give their time to anything that is entertaining or that brings some sort of value to their life. So make the most out of that. That's an opportunity. That's our biggest opportunity right now. How can you make the most out of that? Ding ding. The big announcement. What I wanted to share with you guys is that I am open to anybody who is in need of someone to talk to. Okay, I am here for you if you need somebody to talk to. I am here to advise you. I am here to coach you. I am here to help you. I am here to support you. I am here simply to listen to you. We all need that, just somebody to listen to us. We crave that, just that ear. I will be that ear for you. So if you are in need of somebody to talk to right now, if it is about your business, if it's that you are scared to start a business, if you want to start a business, you're not sure, if you think you can't do it, if you are anxious, if you are scared, if you just want somebody to talk to, call me, contact me. I am so happy to help. This is getting me so excited. You just don't know, I am so excited about this. And also I wanted to tell you that I will be taking certain amount of people. I can't listen to the whole world. Come on, I've got only 24 hours a day and I have to feed my family in there and myself in there, so I can only help a couple of people. I can only listen to a couple of people. So the first people who contact me will be the people that I will be working with. And by the way, if you're thinking that I'm charging, this is free. This is free. I am not taking any money. Okay? La bonne Samaritan. That's what I am right now. So if you are interested, if you need somebody to talk to, contact me. I am more than happy to help you, to support you, to listen to you, to advise you or anything, and all that for free. Isn't that great? I will leave the link below how to get in touch with me, and I look forward to hear from you. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will get out of this bubble, and start thinking strategically. I hope you guys will start looking for opportunities around you and make the most out of it. This is it for me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.